Hi, everyone. My name is Jack Huang, Customer Training Specialist at RosterElf. Thanks for joining me for a quick tour of our budgeting system, your key to building cost-effective rosters with total confidence. In the next few minutes, we'll cover setting revenue forecasts, reading live cost metrics, and keeping labor spend on target, all with the friendly tools built right into RosterElf. How to set your revenue forecasts. Select the Roster tab on the main screen. This opens the roster period you want to plan, such as the week ahead. Choose Revenue Forecast from the top of the roster. Enter your expected takings for the day, week, or month so every other metric can compare against it. Save the figure and repeat for each period in view. Consistent forecasts mean your labor percentage stays accurate when you switch between daily, weekly, or monthly views. How to view rostered hours and estimated labor cost. Glance at rostered hours above the grid. The total reflects every visible shift and updates the moment you tweak a shift or filter. Check estimated labor cost right beside it. RosterElf multiplies each paid hour by the correct pay template so you can see spend build up in real time. How to understand roster metrics. Look to the left of each row for hours and cost at a glance. Whether you filter by staff, site, or position, these numbers refresh instantly so you know exactly where the budget is going. How to check shift metrics. Click any shift to open its detail panel. Here you'll see shift length, any unpaid break, and the precise cost drawn from the assigned pay template. Review the weekly hours and costs shown for that staff member. This keeps you on top of overtime risks while you plan. How to set up pay templates. Open Settings, then Payroll, then Pay Templates. Confirm your base rates and overtime rules so every shift cost is correct. Head to the Staff tab, pick a team member, and assign the right template under Payroll. Accurate templates mean your budgeting maths are rock solid. How to build your roster against targets. Add shifts to fill the week. Watch the financial summary update with total hours, labor cost, and labor percentage so you can spot overspend early. Toggle between day, week, and month views. Ensure a forecast exists for every view so percentages remain meaningful at every zoom level. That's it. With revenue forecasts, live cost metrics, and smart pay templates, RosterElf makes it easy to keep wages under budget while giving your team the coverage they need. If you ever need a hand, our friendly support team is ready to help. Happy rostering, and I'll see you in the next video.